Welcome to the ATX Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. ATX Tax Software is a robust tax solution primarily designed for tax professionals and accounting firms. Known for its comprehensive features, ATX is ideal for professionals handling both individual and business tax returns. The software offers a wide array of tools to streamline tax preparation, tax planning, and compliance management for a variety of client needs. One of the standout features of ATX tax software is its versatility. It supports all major forms for individual and business taxes, including S corporations, C corporations, LLCs, estates, and trusts. Whether you're working with simple personal returns or complex business filings, ATX offers solutions for a wide range of tax situations. The software also integrates with a variety of third-party tools, such as QuickBooks and other accounting systems, to streamline the data entry process. Another notable feature is ATX's intuitive user interface. It's designed with tax professionals in mind, offering an easy-to-navigate dashboard that helps keep track of client status and tax return progress. The software automates many manual tasks, including calculations and data entry, reducing the risk of errors and saving time during busy tax seasons. Additionally, ATX includes built-in e-filing capabilities, allowing for secure and efficient submission of tax returns directly to the IRS and state agencies. ATX also offers powerful reporting features, which include client summaries, detailed tax return reports, and audit trails, giving professionals the tools they need to ensure accuracy and transparency. The software provides excellent customer support, offering assistance through online chat, phone support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. In summary, ATX tax software is a comprehensive and efficient solution for tax professionals. Its wide range of features, user-friendly interface, and strong customer support make it a solid choice for firms handling diverse tax scenarios. Check out the product links in the description for more details on how ATX can enhance your tax preparation process.